Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today I'm gonna talk about remote sensing and GIS. Okay. So if I say that if you understand the GIS, it is a kind of bow and arrow from that which you can make the target for remote sensing. Now remote sensing, especially like uh, gives an imagination of total overall picture, okay, which something we can't grab them, so it is not possible to acquire those things. But if you are able to get to know about this GIS, okay, you can attain the remote sensing. And as a remote sensing, I'm gonna talk about as in software, okay, software related things, okay, which is I'm doing, which is from a laptop, from a desktop, and we can attain all those things. So in previous, it was some kind of impossible things as a remote sensing data, okay, but as of right now, it is accessible. And how you can do all the stuffs, we're definitely gonna see. We're definitely gonna give a practical approach, okay. So as we are getting involved with the Blender most of the time by the installation of Python packages, and talking about the coordination system, even about the quantitative finance, talking about the maths and the differentiation, and how I'm utilizing math as an for analyzing the stocks and analyzing the data. Okay, so all of the things which I'm talking about, which is coming in a real picture. Okay, so how you can visualize the stuff. Okay, so all of the things which I'm doing as of right now. So if you want to check with the Blender, just visit my website and just search for Blender, and if you click on search button, you will get all of the data, okay, related to Blender part. Even quantitative finance also you can search. Okay, so I've been explained beautifully, and I've been given the explanation and even the code also, which you can try. So all I've done with the theory, whichever I'm talking about, I've done a practical approach. Even from for the Blender also, I've been utilize a stepper motor and a bit draw all those things. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, so all of these things, automata theory, quantitative finance, Blender, and this part is gonna help you a lot. Okay, it will help you analyze all of the things if you are as an investor or trader want to invest in IPO or stocks. Okay, so I won't do any investment in IPO, but I surely do in stocks. Okay, I especially do trading in stocks as well. Okay, so one of the my best stocks which I've been starting and utilizing over the time, which was Tata Motors. And as you can see, the stocks crossed over 1,000 rupees or something. That time it was around 2 to 300 rupees. Okay, so that was all kind of a speculation. So first of all, we'll start all of the things with an disclaimer, with an speculation. Okay, so what does a speculation says? The real important thing is that hypothesizing or conjecturing about something without firm evidence. Okay, so if I'm talking about it is not to be involved as a firm evidence, but it is what I'm doing, it is for your personal use. Okay, it is need to be for your personal information. Okay, and in various contexts, speculation can have different meanings and implications. So we definitely dealing with the finance. So first of all, we understand the financial speculation, which is involves buying and selling assets such as stocks, commodities, or currencies with the hopes of making a profit from fluctuations in their value. So what we are doing, especially or whatever we do, it comes in the category of speculation only. Okay, so we try certain things. Okay, and definitely there will be kind of advantages and disadvantages will be there. Okay, so this speculations can be drive innovation and progress also, but also carries a risk such as financial losses, misallocation of resources, spread of information, and all of the things which you are going, just try to check. And even you can the first part as an CAD system, which is as a 3D modeling, and all of the visualization I started with a Blender. And in Blender also you can import some images you can import certain kind of like values, and you try to just mix up, and you can do all of the things. Okay, so Blender is also useful, and you can like get the geo data as well, geospatial data. So that is also you can utilize for remote sensing data, also will be useful. Okay, so what we are doing as of right now, sitting in a room, and we are trying to analyze the world, okay, sees through our computer, through online, which is earlier not possible, but now it is possible. Okay, so first of all, like 2 or 3 things which I'm gonna go is Swane Automobile. Okay, some of the images which made news. Okay, so if you see these images, it will definitely gonna come the picture of this showrooms. They have made news while the IPO subscription. Okay, so this image, this viral, this is the viral image, and even especially this is also the viral image. Okay, so in a number of platforms you have seen this kind of images. Okay, so these are IPO companies which is subscribe. Okay, so first of all, I just say about the news. So what is the news of Sony Automobiles? So Sony Automobiles registered under Resourceful Automobile, maintained for a modest IPO of rupees 12 crore. Okay, so it just went for 12 crore, but instead received bids 400 times. That amount totaling rupees 4,800 crore by the time the issue closed. Okay, so this is the Swane Automobiles made the news. Even like reporter visited these locations, and even like talking about the news, you can search about these things. Okay, so just they are trying to like get collected for 12 crore rupees for resources, and it made 400 times 4,800 crores. Okay, so if pause packaging also the IPO subscription, which with the news was that the rupees 8 crore SME IPO of Boss Packaging Solution was subscribed over 100 times at close, driven by a robust demand across categories. Okay, so these are they have been done, but the most of all the impact was like the viral image of this IPO made the news was this Yamaha Swane Automobiles. Okay, so all of the things, say suppose this, I must say that I also like done some speculations. So I tried to search all those things, and this is the what image I got, which is matching to Yamaha. So I just tried to search, and even I don't want to show you their addresses or anything like that, but you can check it out from your side. Okay, for your personal usage, that is you can check. Okay, and I don't like condemn anything or any of the like as kind of a personal information, just viral things. Just we are trying to break the breaking news in Python, so that is what I'm doing. So earlier, like I am also doing a kind of a financial sentiment analysis, which is kind of important, and this concept brings to fundamental investing as well. Okay, so this will definitely gonna help you in fundamental investing. And as like what happens in this kind of a because our market works on sentiments. Okay, especially if anything craze come up. Okay, people like get crazy and try to invest, or try to do certain things when it comes to the cryptocurrency, and when it comes to the IPO. Okay, so some of the allotments when they're trying for, they didn't get in a kind of a like as Bajaj finances came, so they like lots of people tried, but they didn't get the allotment. Okay, so people try to do with these things some kind of a allotment, and even in this allotment, when the stocks getting traded, like people try to take out their money as well. Okay, so but some of the things is doing good also. In case of Boss Packaging, the list, the shares are expected to list with an 80% gain on September. Okay, so on September they have been done, and when they are doing this stuff, easily it was at least 25% has been downgraded, but they were still like hold the capacity of these things. So something went good, something goes out of hand, but whatever it is there, you just need to be aware all of these things. which is very much necessary for whatever you are doing. Okay, people see that something is making good at the time of trading. The only question comes whether I should stay on the stocks or not. Okay, so this is the category comes. Okay, and which can be cut the losses as well. So this is all the important point. Okay, which you need to understand. So now, say suppose if I say this stuff, when I get into some kind of a financial sentiment analysis or fundamental analysis, all of the things are there. And the category when we are trading, we used to go with two things: an historical data and a real-time data. Even the historical data, if I ask for the per minute, it comes after the 60 seconds, which is counted as an historical data. You analyze that data at that time itself and try to do certain things, will comes in the picture. So in real time we say as a last price, okay, and as a close price at the time which is running right now. So that is also we can relate some real time. So real time prices, so all of the things comes in real time. Okay, so I must say that two things which you can check as an will go with GIS for the historical data. Okay, not for as the real time data, because whatever you get the information as this information, it is around the date is it is stating that it is updated around 2022. Okay, so like that the data is there. Okay, this information, so it can be get older whatever you try to see. Okay, so this is around 2024 they have been talking about the IPO, and this image as you see is 2022. Okay, even these things which I'm talking about can be useful for your real estate data, or the investment stock investment which deals with real estate. Okay, so that will be helpful. Even some of the stocks is get deals with the real estate only. Okay, and especially it has a allocation which says real estate investment trust. Okay, so the companies that own or finance real estate properties provide a way for individuals to invest in real estate without directly managing. Okay, so so GIS I'm talking about not in remote sensing data, but GIS as our software. Okay, so GIS means geographic information system. Okay, I deal with as an historical data, and the secondary I deal with the Google Earth Pro. So this is I consider as a real time bit. Okay, so this is also useful. Even Google Earth API is there. Even you can use the Selenium to scrap the data. So all of the things which you can try and can get the geo data. Okay, so geographic information system. So this is what is GIS means. Okay, is a computer based tool for capturing, storing, analyzing and displaying geographically referenced data. It enables users to create, edit and manipulate geospatial data which is associated with specific locations on the earth surface. Okay, so GIS technology integrates common database operations such as query and statistical analysis with the unique visual and spatial analysis capabilities offered by maps. It allows users to create and edit geospatial data, perform spatial analysis and modeling, visualize and map data, manage and integrate large data sets, make informed decisions based on spatial information. Okay, so what GIS has benefits which include improved decision making. Okay, definitely in fundamental and sentimental analysis. Okay, enhanced data visualization, increased efficiency. You will be able to if you see this stuff, you will be able to say whether I do go for investment or not. Okay, all of the thing which I'm doing as of right now, just googling and I'm able to get all those data. Okay, so better resource management, more accurate analysis and modeling, enhanced communication and collaboration, support for sustainability and environmental management, integration with other technologies, example IoT, AI, remote sensing. Okay, but however GIS has also some limitation and challenges such as data quality and availability. So quality is not that much, and even the data which you are getting, it won't be kind of a true. It is speculative but not kind of a get original data or remote sensing data. Okay, complexity and steep learning curve, high cost, software and hardware training, data privacy, security concerns are there, integration with other systems and data formats, scalability and performance issues are there, limited accessibility and usability for non-technical users. So these are the disadvantages is also there which you need to understand. So all about now we will go with our we will talk about first of all the remote sensing data. So first of all, the remote sensing, what refers? See, it refers especially like the process of collecting information about an object, area, or phenomenon from a distance. Typically uses sensors that detect and measure electromagnetic radiation, such as light, radio waves, or infrared radiation. This information is then used to create images, maps, or other data products can be analyzed and interpreted. Now, how they are taking the data? Okay, especially have you seen the Google car or Google vehicle moving with the camera, 360-degree camera? Okay, even that is try to capture those from the satellites. From the satellites, we have already seen data. If we try to Google Earth Pro, we have seen some data. Okay, aircraft are there. Okay, drones are there, ground-based sensors. So all of these things are even as in getting weather data and oil storage monitoring. So for using the satellites, we can estimate oil storage levels, providing traders with valuable insights into global oil supplies. Okay, so this is the first information which you just need to understand. Even crop yielding, yield predictions, okay, and traffic and congestion analysis, environmental monitoring, urban planning and development, climate change analysis. So all of the things is required. Supply chain monitoring, geopolitical risk. Okay, so you need to understand all of those stuff. Okay, right now if I deal with QGIS, it is very much simple. All you have to do is start with the Python. So if you just click on this Python console, it will open for you certain things, and you can do it manually also. Okay, and this Python for to get all of the things which is related to our QGIS will be helpful. Okay, so as of right now, I just only say these things that by starting off our the workaround, which I will say hello world. Okay, so we'll say hello to our QGIS. Okay, and it prints the hello world, means we have an integration of Python. Now we can integrate the AI as well. Okay, even the coordination system for this is very much useful. You just have to give X and Y coordinates and it will do all of your works. And to understand the coordination system, just visit one of my video which is related to Blender. Okay, so I must say do try this. Okay, do install this QGIS and try to play around. And for other videos, I will definitely gonna come with like all of this information. Okay, so if any IPO or some of the breaking news which need to be done, we're definitely gonna do it through Python. Okay, so I must say stay subscribed, profited. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp.